field tonight. Silver on the road, soft and white. Wind moved gentle through the open land, like an old friend reaching out a hand. I sat along where the turn rows meet, old guitar resting across my knee. Blew that harp till the stars burned through, singing little songs I never knew. Cotton moon memories drifting slow through the dusty places I used to know. River keep rolling, pine trees sway, carry my younger years away. Cotton moon memories, warm and blue, holding on to what the daylight lose. If my old heart forgets what's true, bring me back with the evening dew. Grandpa worked that southern ground, left his footprints all around. Told me every field can hear, every laugh and every tear. I had dreams of a far-off town, but the Delta kept pulling me down. Now I know what the old folks knew: the dust remembers more than you. Some nights the world gets mighty still. You can hear the river cross the hill. You can hear old wagons creak and forgotten voices softly speak. Cotton moon memories, stay a while, bring back mama's easy smile. When my journey finally gets through, lay me down beneath that moon. Moon over the cotton, harp in the night. Old lantern swing by the backwater trail, throwing little shadows on a rusty rail. Night come easy through the cypress trees, carried old songs on a delta breeze. I walked that road with my guitar low, where the muddy little river used to flow. One old dog and a moon half bright kept me company through the night. Backwater lanterns burning slow, lighting places only old hearts know. A monitor cry where the cool winds roam, turn every dusty mile into home. Back backwater lanterns, soft and dim, singing old prayers like a Sunday hymn. If tomorrow never comes in view, leave me there where the old light grew. Cabin porch with a broken chair, still got somebody's memory there. Coffee pot and a weathered pan, waiting on a long gone man. Mama said when the sky turned red, walk with kindness where your daddy bled. I've been trying every passing year, with a tired old song and a little fear. Some roads fade and some roads stay, some folks leave and lose their way. But a lantern glow and a guitar string can make a lonely old soul sing. Backwater lanterns burn tonight, hold this world in a softer light. If my last tune comes drifting through, let it shine where the pines once grew. That land's still burning down the old backwater road. Got my harp this morning, got my harp in my hand. Got my harp this morning, got my harp in my hand. Ain't got no woman, ain't got no land. That backwater calling, calling me home. That backwater calling, calling me home. A poor old sinner, never walk alone. Woke up this morning, levy dust on my shoes. Woke up this morning, levy dust on my shoes. My old woman gone, Lord, she took away my blues. River keep rolling, train keep moving on. River keep rolling, train keep moving on. Only thing stay with me, this old harp song. Black crow hollering across that cotton field. Black crow hollering across that cotton field. A poor man's heart ain't never really healed. Blow, little heart, blow, till the daylight comes. Old ferry road by the muddy shore don't pull folks across no more. River move like it always knew, things it keeps and things it lose. I sat down on an old oak beam, blowing my harp into the stream. Guitar ring where the water shine, playing old songs out of time. Fairyland and blue, fairyland and blue, river mud thick on my old shoes. If that black water know the truth, it learned it all from fairy blues. Fairyland and blue, slow and wide, carry old sorrow with the tide. When my heart don't know what to do, I let it drift with fairy blues. Used to be a ferryman named Joe. strong old hands and a voice real low. Said, boy, this river don't belong. It just lets us ride along. Saw my sweetheart wave goodbye, little white scarf in a cloudy sky. Boat slipped out and the rope went slack. She crossed that water and never came back. Some folks leave on a railroad line, some disappear with the river time. Some old herds just drift on through. Same as them ferry blues, fairyland and blue. Stay with me under that old sycamore tree. If my last song comes worn and used, let it float with fairy blue. Fairyland and blue, calm and low, follow where the dark streams go. When the Lord comes calling to, He'll find me humming fairy blue. That old river still knows the way. Church bell rang through the evening pine, counting years that used to be mine. Little white church by the dusty bend, seen a many soul coming in. I sat outside with my old harp low, watching where the cool winds blow. Guitar hung by the porch border rail, soft as a prayer gone thin and pale. Church bell blues, church bell blues, dust on my hat and holes in my shoes. If heaven asks what road I choose, I'll walk it slow with church bell blues. Church bell blues, low and deep, wake old memories from their sleep. When my poor heart comes all unglued, hold it close with church bell blues. Mama sang in that little place, sunlight fall across her face. Daddy bowed his head down low, 40 years and one hard hole. Folks all gone and the benches bare, but Sunday still hangs in the air. Every ring from that rusty tower bring back one forgotten hour. Ain't no rich man owns that sound, it falls the same on every ground. Poor man's soul and king's gold shoes all get called by church bell blues. Church bell blues carry me home, past them fields where I used to roam. If my last breath slips on through, let it ride with church bell blues. That old bell's still ringing for folks already gone. Old creek bridge made of weathered pine, and standing there a longer time than mine. Water runs soft underneath the boards, carrying prayers the river stored. I lean down low with my harp in hand, play for the fish in the muddy lane. Guitar ring through the evening haze, same old tune from younger days. Creek bridge blues, creek bridge blues, old wood groaning under my shoes. If the good Lord asked what road I'd choose, I'd cross it slow with creek bridge blues. Creek bridge blues, calm and deep, sing to the willows half asleep. When this old heart come all unglued, hold it close with creek bridge blues. Mama washed clothes by this little bin, laughed like summer never had an end. Now that bucket and that old tin pan sleep beneath the river sand. I had a dog and I had a wife, both took different roads in life. Dog chased rabbits through the cane, she chased dreams on a northbound train. Some things leaving don't come back, same as birds and railroad tracks. But this old creek still know my face and keeps my sorrow in its place. Creek bridge blues, stay with me under the shade of that sycamore tree. If my last tune ever comes untrue, wash it clean, creek bridge blues. Creek bridge blues, soft and warm, carry me into another morn. When my old bones done paid their dues, lay me down by creek bridge blues. That little creek still singing lower than me. run through a field gone dry, cut that earth like a scar gone by. Steel turned cold in the evening light, holding stories of the midnight freight. I sat down where the old ties lay, blew my heart till the end of day. Guitar hum low like a tired friend, wondering where them tracks might end. Old rail blues, old rail blues. Dust on my hat and holes in my shoes. If that black train got room to use, carry me off with old rail blues. Old rail blues, long and low, follow where the lost folks go. When my heart forget what it's supposed to do, let it ride on old rail blues. My daddy worked by this iron line, left his sweat in the Georgia pine. Said, boy, these rails don't carry your name, they keep on running just the same. Now his hat hangs by my cabin door, he won't wear it anymore. Sometimes when that night wind blows, I hear his boots where the rail grass grows. Some folks chase what they can't hold, silver coins or city gold. I just need one lonesome tune and a little heart beneath the moon. Oh, rail blues carry me slow past the places I used to know. If I leave this world with nothing new, leave my song in old rail blues. That rail still humming like it ain't forgot.